Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check your email ID on your Amazon account. This is particularly useful when you need to verify which email address is linked to your account or if you're managing multiple accounts and want to confirm the details. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Amazon homepage where you can access all your account settings and information. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a section labeled Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with various account-related choices. From this menu, click on Account. This will take you to the main hub where you can manage everything related to your Amazon profile, from orders to payment methods and security settings. Once you're on the account page, look for the section titled Login and Security. This is where Amazon stores all your important login credentials and security preferences. Click on Login and Security to proceed. This area is designed to help you manage your password, email, phone number, and two-step verification settings. Now, Amazon takes security seriously, so at this point you might be prompted to verify your identity. If this happens, you'll need to type in your password again. Simply enter it in the field provided and click Sign In. This extra layer of verification ensures that only you can access sensitive account information, keeping your details safe from unauthorized access. After signing in again, you'll be directed to the Login and Security page. Here you'll see various sections including password, email, mobile phone number, and more. Navigate to the email section and you'll be able to see your current email ID displayed right there. This is the email address that's currently associated with your Amazon account and where all your order confirmations, promotional emails, and account notifications are sent. And there you have it. You've successfully located your email ID on your Amazon account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.